name is GT Plays Games, and welcome back to another video. Today, I am on a website known as Renderforest. Now, you might be wondering, what is Renderforest? Well, today is another tutorial on how... Why am I saying another? I don't know. But today is a tutorial on how to get... Well, how to make a very basic starter intro. Now... So yeah, now this is the tool to do it if you want to get started easily. It's called renderforest.com, easy to search, and as you saw if you pay attention to my intros, you will see that. But I got a lot of suggestions on to do this type of topic, so that's what I'm gonna do. So today, man, I cannot speak today, I must say. So, first things first, you sign up. Well, you're probably new, so you're gonna sign up. I've already signed up, but this is not my real account, because I'm not stupid. I'm not gonna put on my real account. I use, something to generate a fake email to put on here just for this tutorial. And don't worry, I'm not gonna use it afterwards, so never mind, let's just not talk about that. Anyway. So now, assuming that now you have your own account, it's very easy to set up. It will tell you exactly how to set it up. Assuming that you have that, let's go ahead and click Create Video. So now it's going to go here, and this looks like a lot to choose. But all you need to go here, click Intros and Logos, and now you got all these templates. A lot of them, and they go all the way up to 5 pages of templates of intros you could possibly make, which is really, really, really nice for someone like me. So in that way, you can there's a lot of choices. You don't have to be worried about, like, there are not enough choices like most do. But, I guess we'll just choose one for this video. Well, I tried recording this video 2 times, both of which without sound. And that didn't go really well. I chose these freshening water logo reveal. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I guess I will. And keep in mind, this is only me choosing this template. You can choose whatever you want, and it all has the same procedure. So, they all have the same steps. Like so, and then now, this is what here. Beautiful. So now you click Create Now. It will do the magic. Now next you add text. So just say, I don't know, GT Plays Games. And then the best games ever. No. Trying to say, you gotta make it derpy. Well, you don't, but you know what I mean. It's just an example text. You can do whatever you want here. Now add an image. So we'll just add upload, and I got a perfect image right in here. It's this one, I think. Yep. Do whatever, once again, just do whatever you need to. Do whatever logo you need to do, and this is what's gonna look like. Okay, so now style. This is like all fonts you can choose, but sadly you can't choose one unless you're subscribed, which I'm not, because I think you can get enough without it. And the font already looks kind of good for the theme, at least. So next, you need some music. Now, music's probably the most important thing. You got the recommended music for your template that you chose. Then you got, no, I don't want. And then you got all the music in an entire library. approximately 131 tracks that you could choose, and you could just go like, I don't know, Fun Cookie, which that's fun. Anyway, then you can completely mute it altogether. And as you can see right up here, it saves it automatically, so which is really nice. But you could also upload. What we're gonna do, we're gonna upload our own music. So just click that, choose the music we want. I already have it uploaded right here. It's Spring in My Step. If you don't know what Spring in My Step is, I'll play it for you. There we go. Just for tutorial's sake. There we go. And it saves automatically. Oh yeah, you can also do a voiceover if you want to. But who wants to do that? Maybe you. It's your own YouTube channel, after all. I'm not complaining. And now it's time to preview. You can buy the high quality if you're very rich, unlike me. Or you can do a free preview, which is good enough. So now, so you click that. And now you wait. Alright, so it's done now. You could remove the watermark, which is right here. But, let's see what we came up with. And that's basically how you make an intro. Then you can basically publish this. You can do all that, all the good stuff. And then you can also do, here's some more videos just for inspiration if you really want to. And so yeah, that's how you make a basic intro, like the intro I use in Renderforest, which I use this tool every time I need to make an intro, which is really nice. It's a really great starter tool to make a starter intro. Now, once you get a little bit bigger, you might want to consider doing another, like a more 3D intro, maybe not 3D intro, not a spinny intro. Everyone hates those spinny intros that make you sick all the time, and you, never mind. But like a more advanced intro, actually, or maybe if you're big, you might even want to use this because it's very simple, and it's very simple and like straight to the point. So yeah, so you can decide how to use this if you want to. You can make a starter intro for that starter channel that you've started. That's a lot of starts in that sentence. And yeah, I can't wait to see what you come up with. Alright, well, that concludes this tutorial. I will see you in the next one, or the next video, or whatever, the next thing you watch about. Never mind. Bye!